looks a heck of a lot better though with that spot.
And brighter. There's something in here.
God, it's blinding.
Told ya.
What you got, buddy? Ghost Rider. That's too scary.
I want to watch it. I like
Your mom said
it.
she didn't hear you. She said that on the intercom as she was passing through.
Blah, 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 blah.
Sunglasses.
Intercoms in every room of the house. And she didn't hear.
Sunglasses.
I look old.
I'm old?
I look old.
I'm old. As soon as you hit 10, you're old. I'm old.
Get that out of my face, boy. Alright, Mommy, time we have to find my Bluetooth earpieces.
Ah!
Don't get close to it. Dancing around like a happy fool. This is going on VO.com. VEOH.com. /user/JJ Clark 111.
Way more videos.
What?
Way more videos.
What? Play more videos?
No! Said there's way more videos on that.
Where? On that website?
Yeah. I saw them.
But this will be the newest one. What's the date today? 12?
No. I think it's like...
You need a haircut. Look like you have a Brillo pad on your head. Boy,
think
don't
it
go in
was-
my pocket. No.
I think it was the 12th on Friday. Today's Monday. So I think it's 15th. Yeah.
Careful. Cheyenne, no one wants to see your tonsils.
I do.
Try brushing your teeth.
I do.
Careful, you're gonna knock my
That's my cotton candy cafe.
favorite number.
Up there.
And I paid $3,000 for Universal Studios.
I thought it was more than that.
No, the big one was like $5,000. It's got real gold in it.
I thought it'd be like $1 million.
No! Alright, let's see.
Bye!
Cheyenne, don't ever let Grandma cut your bangs.
Nothing.
Don't let her touch your bangs.
Bye! She cut him
Looks
to
like she put a Tupperware bowl on your your head. Cut around. Like she used to do me when I was a kid.
She kept like snipping at it, and then she like brush my bangs and then do it again. And brush.
Why does she do that?
I don't know. Bye, Cam. No.
Alright, I'm gonna shut it off.
No. Bye, Cam. I'm gonna shut it off. Bye.
Cheyenne's blocking.
Hee.